Korea, don't treat me like a boy. God, these girls tryna lock me down and I always not believe. For the first time in a while, I wanna throw away the key. And I know you've been in a couple more relationships than me. Cause you talk a different talk and you kiss me differently. I don't know where to go after you love me this way. After you love me so good, how are you gonna tell me? Tell me I'm too young, but I give you what you want to. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? You won't wake up beside me, 'cause I was born in the 90s. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? Go and treat me like, go and treat me like. So you needed a perfect guy that'll make your parents proud. You see, still in love, yeah, 'cause we're still messing around. Now you're actually putting all this stuff just to say it won't work out. You never took me seriously. What the hell is that about? I don't know where to go after you love me this way. Y'all know it? It's hard. Y'all got to know. You tell me I'm too young, but I'll give you what you want to. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? You won't wake up beside me, 'cause I was born in the 90s. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? Go and treat me like, go and treat me like. Baby, don't you treat me like a boy? Don't treat me like, go and treat me like. Scream it out with me, okay? Everybody feeling good? Who here is a day one Charlie fan? Who's been with me since the very, 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 very beginning? Who's been with me since 2016, since the first time I came to South Korea?